Hey everyone, and welcome to our AWS Security Essential series. Here we dive into a range of security topics spanning from automation to various AWS security services. Our goal is to explore how these services can be integrated into effective incident response strategies within the AWS environment. So today we will dive into the crucial task of detecting malware files in S3 using our Lambda function. Imagine the situation where bad guys might try to sneak into our systems by uploading certain types of files. So here we have our different file extension. These file extensions are often used by attackers to cause trouble, so it is crucial for us to catch them in our AWS system. In this example, we will focus on five specific file extension, .dll, .exe, .zip file, PowerShell script file, and .bat file. Okay. So if an intruder manages to access our S3 bucket and uploads a malicious payload, so in this case, our Lambda function will spring into action. Not only it will detect the threat, but it will also promptly notify our security team via SNS service, that is simple notification service. So it will send an alert to our security team. So this is what we're gonna implement in our AWS lab environment. So this is gonna be our script. It is written in Python. And the scripts basically monitor our S3 bucket for new file uploads and check if the uploaded file have a specific extension associated with malware. Okay, so let me break it down this code for you, what exactly we are doing. So we are importing two modules here. The first one is OS module and the second one is Boto3 module. So these are the necessary module we are importing. And then here we are creating two clients. First one is for our S3 service and the second one is for our SNS topic. And these two clients will help us to interact with the AWS service within our Lambda function. Okay. And here we are defining our SNS topic ARN. Okay. We'll show you the SNS topic that I have created. If you know automation, if you know Lambda, you surely know that this function serves as the entry point for the Lambda function. Okay. And in this function, we are using for loop to iterate through each record in our event records. This parameter we have defined in our function. First is event and the second one is context. And in this case, the event creation could be anything like uploading a file, updating the file, or deleting the file. Okay. After getting the event records, here we are extracting the bucket name and the object key. Okay. And in this step, we are extracting the file extension. With the help of this split text function, it will split the path into its directory and the file extension part. So we are interested in the file extension part. And after that, we are defining the list of known suspicious file extension that we want to monitor. Okay. I'm using the variable name as ransomware extension because I'm also working on some different projects. So that is the reason I'm using this name. After that, we are checking if the file extension of the uploaded file matches any of the suspicious extensions we have, okay, that we have defined. If it does, we print the message that the malicious file detected. Okay. And here we are defining our email notification through our SNS topic. First is a message variable that malicious file detected in S3 bucket. We are providing the bucket name and the object key, the file name obviously. The subject line will be urgent, suspicious file uploaded to S3 bucket and the action required. Okay, this is going to be our subject. And here we are using the SNS publish method to send the email notification through our Amazon SNS. And here we are providing our message, variable, subject, and the topic ARN that we have defined here. Okay, SNS topic ARN. Else, file is not associated with malware. Okay, so this is going to be our short and simple script. Let me just quickly save it. And let's go to our AWS account. Let me just show you the SNS topic first. I have this SNS topic that is evidence integrity. And here we have this ARN. Okay, so I'm using this ARN and I have my subscription here. I have already provided my Proton mail. Okay, so if you don't know how to create an SNS topic, let me just quickly show you. Okay, just click on create topic, go with the standard one, write the topic name here. Name and display name will be demo. You just have to click on create topic, and after that you have to create the subscription. So let me just create this topic, and here in the subscription tab you just have to create the subscription, and here you have to select the protocol. I'm gonna go with email, and here you have to provide the email address. You guys can go with your personal email. Okay, you just have to write your email address here, and after creating the subscription you have to confirm it. Okay, so you just have to go to your email or Gmail account, and you just have to click on confirm subscription. Okay, after that you will see the status will be confirmed. So in this case, let me go to topics. In this evidence integrity SNS topic, my status is already confirmed. Okay, so let's go to our Lambda function, create the function, and it will be author from scratch. Function name will be threat detector. Runtime will be our Python 3.11, and you just have to click on this change default execution role. Okay, I'm going to select the use an existing role. I already have this Lambda demo role. Let me just quickly show you the permissions. Okay, if you click on roles, Lambda demo, let me click on that, and I'm using the administrator access, S3 full access, and SNS full access. Okay, let's go back. Let me close it. Let me close this as well. Now we have selected our role. Let's click on create function. I have already pasted the SNS topic AR in here, so let me just copy it, and let's paste our code here, and let's click on deploy. Okay, and now we have to set the trigger, so click on this app trigger. Our source will be S3. Okay, for the sake of this demo, let me just create another S3 bucket. Create bucket. Northern Virginia selected. Bucket name will be, okay, so important law evidence will be our bucket name. Let's scroll down and let's create the bucket. Okay, here we have our important law evidence bucket. Let's go back to our Lambda function. Let me refresh it. And here we have our important law evidence bucket. Selected event types. It's a very important step. We are interested in put event, post, copy, multi-part upload event. So we are interested in all object create events. So I'm going to leave it as default. Okay. Let me check this checkbox that I acknowledge that using the same S3 bucket for both input and output is not recommended, and that this configuration can cause recursive invocation, and this will increase the Lambda usage and increase cost. So I don't have to worry about the cost because I'm using the AWS credits. So I'm going to click on add. Okay, so the trigger is added. Let me go to my Proton mail. So I have signed in to my Proton mail. Let's check this functionality. Okay, so let me just go to our important law evidence bucket, and it's a very crucial bucket for us. Let's imagine this. Okay, now let me just click on upload, add files. So let's select first malware.exe file, open it, and let's click on upload, and we should receive an alert. Let's go to our Proton mail and evidence integrity. So as you guys can see, we have received this alert, that is urgent suspicious file uploaded to S3 bucket, action required. And here we have got the malicious file detected in S3 bucket, the bucket name and the file name that we have uploaded, right? The malware.exe. Let's upload other file as well. Let's upload DLL file. It is malware.dll. Upload it. Let me just close it. Let's go back, refresh it, and we have received this email. Let me click on it, and yes, malware.dll file is detected. Let's go back and upload the zip file, and here we have our script.zip file. Let me open it. Okay, upload it. Let's refresh the mail, and yes, we have received this. Okay, script.zip is detected. Cool. Let's upload another file. Target, it is a Windows PowerShell script, so let me open it and let's upload it. Okay, so we have uploaded the DLL, exe, zip, and ps1. Let's go back to our mail, and yes, we have received this email. PowerShell file is detected. Let's go back. We are just left with the bat file, so let me select this demo.bat file, open it. So we have uploaded all these file extension that we have defined here, okay, in the list. Okay, let's see. Yes, we have received the email. Let me open it. So demo.bat file is detected. That means our Python code is working fine. The Lambda function is working fine. Okay, that's cool. So this is gonna be a very basic scenario of detecting malicious or suspicious files in AWS environment, especially in S3 by using the Lambda function. And obviously, we are going to cover more advanced topics and scenarios in our future lessons. But for now, this example served as an ideal starting point for beginners in automation security. You can find this code on my AWS dev.to blog. I will put that link in the description box, so it will be really easy for you to copy this code. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.